I don't know how much of this will catch, but we're having a torrentially fantastic rainstorm at the moment in England. Whoa, there she goes. And it's awesome. It's we're getting the lightning and the thunder's right overhead now. It's been building for a while. There it goes again. And look at the skies, just red. Oh, I just love rainstorms like this. Absolutely awesome. Nice and safe in the flat, but no good. I'd rather be out there. Seriously thinking about going out actually, but not dressed for it because I've got my work gear on. I look like hell because I need a shave. The sky's just awesome. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, look at that. I'll tell you what, it's just red. See the rain bouncing off the children's playground. But I'm more interested in the sky. I mean, I don't know how it'll look when it's viewed back, but to me now it's just red and yellow and full of electricity and energy and passion and power and nature just giving it what it wants, you know? Awesome. I think you've missed the ferocity of it. Having said that, he drops the camera down and misses the best flash of lightning, typical. I guess that was an answer to my earlier statement. Rubbish, I hear yourself. Can I interest you in the garden in the meantime? Just while... Oh no, because that way we'll miss the lightning, isn't it? That's no good. That kind of defeats the object, one would imagine. Oh, I just want to get one really awesome flash. I do feel it's receding. And I'm scared to move the camera, because you just know what'll happen as soon as I do. You call that Sod's Law, I just call it Bry's Law. Story of my life, I suppose. Ah, it's fading now, the lightning. Oh well. Oh, look at the skies, just... the colours are amazing. However, I'm risking damaging the camera, so from a very stormy northwest of England, do enjoy the rest of your weekend, or if you're not watching this at the weekend, then just enjoy. Bye for now.